Hey everyone, welcome to this video. So today I'm going to do my gel nails and this is how they did turn out, a little sneak peek, but I'm going to go through the full tutorial with you from start to finish on two of those nails. I did do my removal and my prep off camera, but if you want to see that part of the gel application, I do have a lot of videos that include that. But moving on, I'm going to grab my Madam Glam in Shimmer Pink Builder Gel. Now, one of my lovely subscribers did request that I do a Builder Gel application with Madam Glam, so here it is. I needed to do my nails, lastminute.com. I am doing them, going for a night away today, so I am rushing to do these nails. So I decided to record it and upload it for you to see my application. So starting off, I am going in with Madam Glam's base coat and I'm going to scrub this into the nail plate, like really scrub it into that nail plate. That's how you apply all base coats. Scrub it in, don't float it, and it'll really help with your adhesion. I do not use a dehydrator, by the way. I just use acetone to dehydrate my nails, and I've done that for the longest time and it works for me and my clients. So yeah, I'm just applying this base coat, and when I have this done, then I'm going to pop it in for a full cure for 60 seconds. Also, guys, I do have a discount code for Madam Glam. It is Begorgeous35, capital B, capital G, but all one word. But I will also leave the link in the description box for you to click on, and it will automatically give you 35% off when you check out. So today's gel that we're going to use is Madam Glam's in Shimmer Pink, which is a beautiful gel. As you can see, I have used a lot of it. And I'm picking up my gel brush, which I got from, I think, Temu or AliExpress, but it's a really good one. And also going to use my liner brush as always to help with my application. So I'm going to go in with a slip layer first of all. Now, I don't always use a slip layer, but with a product like this, it's not runny. You can definitely use your slip layer because it will help your gel seep into where it needs to go. So your slip layer is just a wetting layer and you paint it on as you would paint on maybe a gel color or a gel base. And you don't cure it, but then you go in with a bigger bead. So here is my bigger bead, and I am just going to apply it as close to the epinecum as possible without touching it, and then I'm just going to pull it down gently from side to side. I love watching gel application. I never get tired of seeing it. I just love watching it. It's so satisfying. And then once I have my bead applied, again I grab my liner brush and I go in and I pull as close as I can to the side walls and the cuticle area without touching. So I really take my time with this part. FYI, I just do, because if you take your time with this part, more than likely you won't have to finish file, or you will have to do very minimal finish filing. Today, like I said, I was in a rush. Nail tech doing her own nails were always rushing. So I was like, no to finish filing. I'm definitely not doing it. So I did these two nails as well at the same time without curing one at a time. Usually I would recommend to cure one nail at a time, but with this particular gel, you can get away with doing two nails at a time. You just might have to go in and just kind of have a look at the first one before you pop it into the lamp. But yeah, I love this gel. It's so easy to work with. I think it's very beginner friendly. So again, I'm doing the exact same thing on this nail. I have left this nail in real time, so this is real time application of the gel. So I'm just going to let you watch and relax, and I will be back in a few. So for today's gel polish, we are using this gorgeous vibrant orange from Glam. It's called Infinite Love, and it is so unbelievably stunning and pigmented. I actually only used one coat in this nail set here. Just to let you know, I just used one coat and I top coated it. It is so pigmented. If you have Bahama Mama from Madam Glam, because I have that one as well, they are very close. They're really close, so I don't know would you need the two of them, but if you don't have either of them, I really do recommend this. It's such a vibrant orange. It's perfect for summer, and I haven't put any neons on myself so far this year, so I felt like it was needing it because it's already almost August. So I was like, yeah, I need a bright colour before summer ends and I'm into the autumn colours. So yeah, I am just showing you here how I do my gel polish application. So a few tips and tricks. If you have a good round brush like the one in this bottle, that is going to really help you. These brushes are so good. They have them in the most recent Madam Glam collections. They don't have them in all of the older ones, but in the more recent ones they seem to have this rounded brush, and they're nearly frayed at the edges, are tapered, so you can push it back up towards the cuticle area, and it really helps with your shaping and it doesn't flood. So yeah, I love these brushes. They are insanely good. So what I do is I push as far up with the actual gel the gel polish brush. As you can see me doing here, I push it up as far as I can, and then I go in with my liner brush and I paint as close as I can to the cuticle and the side walls. Now, I think I was kind of dicing with death a bit with this one here because I did go really close, but I did manage to pull it off. So I think you kind of know yourself when you're doing the nails. You'll know about how well you've prepped, I suppose, the cuticle area, because if there's bits of skin and stuff there, that is definitely not going to help your gel polish application or your gel application. But yeah, my top tip is to use your liner brush. Absolutely. It just helps so much, and it really does help to have a pigmented polish like this as well. So yeah, so this is me now just fixing up my little bits. I did manage to touch the skin there, so I'm going in with the edge of my nail through my glove, cleaning it up. But yeah, guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. I hope it's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions about any of the application or anything that I'm using, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're enjoying it. I do have a few more like this on my channel, and I will be doing more coming up. I'm also going to be doing finally my log cabin studio tour, because I've been in it now for a couple of months, but it's just been so busy I haven't had time to do it. But I think it's ready now. I have my last few minute bits in, so I'm going to do a tour and show you all what it's looking like. But again, I am going to leave you here. I'm just top coating, and I'm just going to show you a little slow motion of all the nails at the end. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.